Agile software development refers to software development methodologies centered around the idea of iterative development, where requirements and solutions evolve through collaboration between self-organizing cross-functional teams. Waterfall is a linear approach to software development. In this methodology, the sequence of events is something like: linear approach essentially means each stage generally finishes before the next one can begin. For example, requirements must be reviewed and approved by the customer before design can begin. Developers and customers agree on what will be delivered early in the development lifecycle. This makes planning and designing more straightforward. Progress is more easily measured, as the full scope of the work is known in advance. Except for reviews, approvals, status meetings, etc., a customer presence is not strictly required after the requirements phase. The software can be designed completely and more carefully, based upon a more complete understanding of all software deliverables. This provides a better software design with less likelihood of situations where pieces of code are defined and subsequently added to an application where they may or may not fit well. There may be issues with the flexibility of the model to cater for new developments or changes of requirements which may occur after the initial consultation. Changes due to business plans or market influences may not have been taken into account when planning is all done up front. Projects may take longer to deliver, compared to using an iterative methodology such as Agile. Clients may find it challenging to conceptualize their needs in terms of a functional specification during the requirements phase. This means that they may change their minds once they see the end product, which is difficult to address if the application needs to be re-engineered to any large extent.